Ever wondered what lies ahead in the world of electric vehicles? Prepare to be captivated by Lucid Motors' latest tease. An exciting concept awaits, set for full reveal on August 14. And so all of them make it new vision, that people reveal involved in many kind of systems, um, on sleek sedans and practical SUVs. They venture into adventure. Electric exploration beckons, promising a rugged twist. Stay tuned. Intrigue builds as a cryptic teaser surfaces. Visual hints emerge, signaling a departure from norms. Roof-mounted lights, robust wheels, off-road whispers grow louder. Lucid's bold step revealed soon. Gravity SUVs off-road sibling. Likely post-standard model launch in late 2024. Market expansion, trend tapping. Lucid aims high. Adventure seekers, get ready for a thrilling ride or sell, or a thrilling ride up. And luxury meets off-road. Today's electric SUVs destined for more than malls. Gravity with grit navigates dirt, sand, challenges, social engines in mask. And even those there are affluent adventures, your vehicle awaits. Rugged gravity, Lucid's answer to adventure. Right, Ann? Watch out. Exploration and focused brands, race for competition, distinct trims, altering prowess. Lucid charges ahead, but what's not on the horizon? A budget gravity touring. Rugged elements hint at premium, pricey, entry level, unlikely. Compact midsize EV, not yet. Mystery unfolds, excitement builds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, even electric vehicles can take the road less traveled. So if keep dreaming big. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more updates.